In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split screen on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to view multiple charts at once, so you can compare symbols, timeframes, or strategies side by side without switching tabs. Before we begin, make sure you have TradingView open with any chart loaded. This feature is designed to help you watch more than one view at a time, and it's especially useful if you like to monitor correlations, check multiple timeframes, or keep an eye on different exchanges. One important note up front: split screen is available for premium users only. If you're on a free plan, you might see a lock icon or a prompt letting you know it's part of a paid plan. Now, let's turn it on. Look toward the top right of your chart area. You'll see a small square-shaped icon among the chart controls. Go ahead and click that square icon. This opens the layout options. From there, select the split screen icon. The moment you choose it, your chart will divide into multiple panes, and you'll be able to view more than one chart on the same screen. That's it, simple and quick. Once the split screen is active, each pane can display a different symbol or the same symbol on different time frames, depending on how you like to work. This is incredibly helpful for building confluence. For example, analyzing a higher time frame trend while keeping an eye on a lower time frame setup at the same time. You may also notice that many settings and tools behave independently in each pane, so you can customize what you see without affecting the others. If you don't see the split screen option, or if it appears but won't activate, that's usually a sign that your current plan doesn't include it. In that case, TradingView will typically display a message explaining that it's a premium feature. You can still continue using a single chart as normal, but upgrading unlocks the multi-chart layout so you can streamline your workflow. To recap, open your chart, click the square icon at the top right, and select the split screen icon. There you go. Your chart is now split and ready to use. Remember, this is a premium-only feature, so availability depends on your plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, try it on your next analysis session and see how viewing multiple perspectives on one screen improves your decision-making. Happy charting!